And it goes a little something like
You are summer after.
Where that one?
Yeah.
Oh, pretty. One, which
This one.
that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we put it back.
I want this one.
Mhm.
It's so pretty. I want this one.
Okay.
I don't need this. Put it back.
This one, put it back.
Yeah. I want this.
Okay, this one's pretty. Okay.
This back.
Okay. Now.
I want this one. Whoa, look at that. That's yours.
Wow.
I want this one.
Guys, do you have this whenever you go to the store and they just pick up everything? Someone tell me why it's like picking up. I want this, I want that, I want this, that. Like, come on, girl. Let me know, guys, if you have the same problem whenever you go to the store, whether it be a shop, a food store, clothing store, whatever store, and you've got your young ones with you, and all they want to do is take that one. But we had fun anyway, so I just want to share that with you. Right, guys, if you are new, welcome. On this channel I talk about all things health and well-being, and I take you guys on vlogs. You know, today we are at Oxford Shopping Centre. Guys, if you are returning, you know I love and I appreciate you guys, so make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Guys, Oxford is a nice little, it's a nice British town centre. Okay guys, we are in Primark. If you are not in the UK, Primark is basically maybe something similar to Target in America, because you buy everything in Target. Let me know if you have a store similar to Primark where you literally can buy all your essential. They sell women's clothing, men's clothing, children's clothing, home items. Like, the only thing that they don't do is gardening, suitcases if you're traveling, makeup bags, makeup. They sell pretty much everything toiletry in terms of, like, you know, making your bathroom look all nice, smelling good, home decor. Their stock keeps expanding more and more. And the good thing about Primark is, guys, if you don't know, if you ever travel to the UK and you just want to like a quick shopping trip, their clothes are not the highest quality, but they're always on trend. Okay, they are always on trend. And most of the time whenever I go to Primark, I go there to get my home essential items like tank tops, you know, little slippers or whatever, like makeup bags. You know, sometimes you just want like a cute little top and you don't want to spend too much. Maybe you're going on a date, you don't want to spend too much, you just want to look cute and fabulous. But yes, guys, so I came in today and I just wanted to get like small things, you know, to get comfortable in the home, because I like being comfortable, and the colors of vibrant is like love it. So they've got children's section, but this is basically it, guys. Every Primark has pretty much got the same layout. You find them dotted all across the UK. There is not a town that you go in the UK they don't have Primark. I could be wrong, but there's not a town you go in the UK and they do not have a Primark. Primark has taken over. Everybody wears Primark, okay? Sometimes you don't even know somebody's wearing Primark. You think they're wearing high fashion. Hey, but yes, guys, this is what I pretty much got. Just joggers that I wanted. Yeah, so in those pastel colors. I found socks. They were like £1, and just little stuff that I don't really buy too much from Primark, just little stuff. And I got this skirt. So yes, guys, that's what I pretty much got. I like shopping online and I don't like to spend too long in the store, but for today's purpose, guys, we are out. We're in Oxford. They've got a nice shopping center, very clean, very lovely, got high-end shop. You know, if you want your designers, you can have it, or if you just want like your Primark type of shop or new look type of shop, whatever type of shop, guys. But that's us. The shopping center is very clean as well, and there's different levels to the shopping center. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. If you want to see more of this type of content, let me know, because you know we're outside, okay? You know we're outside. So shopping centers, they're a good little outing, day out, grab some food, buy 1 or 2 things. Why not save a little cash and buy 1 or 2 things? They've got like the designer bits here, and it's nice to go and feel, touch clothes. Nowadays we're so used to shopping online that it is nice to go into the store and feel the fabric, feel you know, just have a nose, you know, see what it looks like. Because sometimes you can order things online, you get it and you're like, wait, this is not what the picture said. Do you ever get that? Let me know in the comment section if you've literally bought stuff online and it's not what you expected. It did not look like the picture, okay? Check out Simply Amie and Be Amie, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Where are we gonna end up next, baby? Where are we gonna go next? Where are we gonna go next, baby? Bye guys.